Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Skillshare subscription with my 30% discount coupon code. Okay, so this is one of my new partner. Maybe in the future we will have more tutorial video about this platform on this channel. You know, it is a learning platform, so you want to learn anything like video editing, designing or stuff like that, you can select Skillshare. It has many courses on the platform, okay, and maybe I will review some courses and let you know in near future. Okay, so you want to try Skillshare, I will put the link in the description and also my special discount coupon code. This is exclusive for Jacky Nguyen. By the way, the code is Jack Nguyen. It is only Jack Nguyen, not Jacky Nguyen. Okay, so it is a mistake. By the way, you can enjoy 30% discount coupon for the first year subscription of Skillshare. Okay, so this is my computer and I'm going to buy a subscription of Skillshare because I also love learning new things also. Okay, so we want to go to Skillshare.com and this is the website. Okay, this is their website. And now you can sign up with your Google account, Facebook or Apple ID. Okay, so I'm going to click here, continue with Google. And then I have to log into my Google account. So I have this Gmail account. I'm going to click here to create an account with Skillshare. Okay, online class Skillshare. And now this is my account. Okay, and we can see like a payment terms or stuff like that right here. By the way, because you want to use my 30% discount coupon code, so you want to scroll down here and we have an empty space here, gift card or discount code. So we need to type here Jacky or Jack Nguyen, I'm sorry, Jack Nguyen, and this is my name. And then you want to click apply. By the way, you don't want to type, I will put the code in the description. You can just copy and paste it right here. Okay, and then we can click apply. So we have a discount here, get 30% off Skillshare. This is for the first year. Okay, and now annual membership, which is 4.08 USD per month, and normally I will need to pay $49 per year, but now I need to pay only 34.3, so it can help me save $14.7. Okay, next up, I want to use my PayPal account, or I can use credit card right here, but we want to use PayPal. Okay, and now we need to check out with my PayPal, and now we go to my PayPal, and then I have to log into my PayPal to pay for it. Okay, so I will need to input my Gmail right here, my PayPal Gmail, and click next. Get the code on my computer. Okay, and this is my code. Okay, and finish with the code. Securely login. Okay, so ship to pay with, and now I'm going to agree and continue. Alright, so now I'm in, and what brings you here? I want to learn for fun. I want to learn a professional skill and build my business. And next, what are you most interested in learning? Okay, so we can learn animation, film and video, writing and publishing. Okay, so next, great, and film and video, content creation, career. Okay, and this is my Skillshare dashboard, and on the left side you have the browse feature. You can browse all the courses here. They have different category and your learning path or stuff like that. And on the right side, this is your account center. So this is your account. So you have the profile, you can view your profile, you can view your classes, and you can go to account settings, language setting, and team plan, and you can also refer friends to get a free month of Skillshare also. And you can redeem your perks or stuff like that. And here the center is your watch history. Recently I watched a course from Marcus Brownlee MKBHD. Okay, and down here we have recommended learning paths and for you. So we have different courses here also. And if you want to search for any course, you can type here. For example, I can search for Filmora 13 for example, to see if anyone create a course here. Alright, so this is how you can purchase a subscription of Skillshare with my 30% discount coupon code. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any questions, just let me know at the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.